A fountain stops flowing suddenly, and dust collects inside. A statue cracked, birds on his weary head, now stands alone and dry. The birds, they circle